Guys, I am Multitude Gamer. Today I am collabing with Zenitsu Agostama, and now he's in my house. Look at this.
Hi.
He still didn't did his festival and he's Japanese.
Emotional damage.
Guys, we are gonna play sniper challenge.
Okay.
Sniper aiming challenge with our sniper guns. Now we are gonna show it. This is my sniper, guys. Now we are gonna do aim practicing in this.
Okay, hi.
Yes.
Oh my god.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है
Oh my god. Psych. He hit the bottle.